Have you ever pondered the negative impacts of social media on our society and mental health? Well, today we delve into this pressing issue, particularly its profound influence on the younger generation. Platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok have seamlessly woven themselves into the fabric of our existence. They serve as a conduit for connection, self-expression, learning, and entertainment. Yet, beneath the surface, these platforms harbor serious pitfalls that warrant our attention and action. A significant downside of social media is its propensity to birth unrealistic expectations and comparisons, which can take a toll on self-esteem and body image. The photos and videos that inundate our feeds are often meticulously curated, edited, and filtered. The resulting illusion of perfection can breed feelings of inadequacy, insecurity, and dissatisfaction with our own reality. Furthermore, social media can subject us to harmful content that can sway our behavior and attitudes. A case in point is TikTok, a favorite among teenagers which has come under fire for endorsing hazardous trends. Take the "What I Eat in a Day" challenge, for instance, which promotes unhealthy calorie restriction and can trigger eating disorders. The platform has also faced backlash for suppressing political and social movements, while amplifying misinformation and extremist views. Another alarming concern is the detrimental effect of social media on mental health and overall well-being. Research indicates that excessive social media use can heighten the risk of depression, anxiety, loneliness, and addiction. It can also divert us from fulfilling real-life responsibilities, nurturing relationships, and pursuing hobbies, thereby diminishing our productivity, creativity, and happiness. So how can we shield ourselves and our society from the harmful repercussions of social media? Here are a few strategies worth considering. Firstly, cap your social media usage to an acceptable duration each day, and disable notifications that can lure you into incessant scrolling. Secondly, be discerning about what you consume and disseminate on social media. Don't accept everything at face value. Conduct your own research, verify sources, and exercise critical thinking before engaging with content. Thirdly, be choosy about whom you follow and interact with on these platforms. Unfollow or block accounts that induce negative emotions. Seek out uplifting and inspiring content that aligns with your objectives. Fourthly, refrain from comparing yourself to others on social media. Remember that everyone has their own battles to fight behind the scenes. Concentrate on your own strengths, accomplishments, and happiness, and celebrate your individuality. Fifthly, leverage social media to augment real-life connections, not substitute them. Cherish in-person interactions with friends, family, and your community, and savor the present moment. Lastly, invest time in hobbies and activities that enrich your life and bring you joy. These can facilitate skill development, creativity expression, and societal contribution. If you found this video insightful and enlightening, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to this channel for more content like this. Also, drop a comment below to share your thoughts on social media and how you navigate its negative impacts. Your feedback is highly valued. Thanks for watching, and remember, you control social media. It doesn't control you.